Hi, this is Jim Cathcart. I've been a professional speaker now for 32 years, and when I first started speaking, the first speaker I saw who absolutely blew me away was Bill Gove. I went to a workshop many years ago, back in the early 1970s in Phoenix, Arizona, and Bill was the dinner speaker. Now, that afternoon I'd met him, and he and I had a chance to talk about the speaking profession and how it worked. And he shared all the insights that he could share that day, and I was very impressed, but I was really blown away when I saw him in person working a room. I sat in that audience absolutely spellbound as he wandered through the crowd and spun his tales and used his humor, and he walked over and he put his hand on my shoulder and he delivered a punchline to one of his jokes. Oh, I mean, I can still feel that to this day. I had the privilege after that of becoming good friends with Bill and being in the group Speakers Roundtable, a small 20-person group that Bill was in for many years. And I count Bill Gove as probably the most impactful of all the speakers that I've ever known. As far as his influence on my career, my speaking style, my belief system about speaking. So if you have a chance, and you do, to learn from Bill Gove, by all means take advantage of it, because he is as good as they get. And in this series, the Bill Gove Speech Workshop, he shares with you all the insider secrets, all the ways of thinking about and doing the little things that most people wouldn't think about, but the things that make a huge difference in how effective you are with an audience. So if you want to be confident on the platform, if you want to be highly impactful with your audience, and you want to be believed, take the Bill Gove Speech Workshop. You'll be very glad you did, and so will the people who listen to you.